Hello, dear listener. Today, I want to share something personal and powerful. How I learned to speak English and how you can too. Learning English changed my life in ways I never imagined. It gave me confidence, helped me meet new people, and opened doors to opportunities one never thought possible. But let me be honest, it wasn't easy in the beginning. I was nervous. I didn't know many words. I was afraid my accent sounded strange. But I kept going, one step at a time. Just like a child learns to walk, I fell, stumbled, and made mistakes. But each mistake taught me something new. Maybe you feel the same right now. Maybe you're scared to speak, worried about saying the wrong thing, afraid someone might laugh at you. But here's the truth. Making mistakes is not failing, it's learning. Every time you speak, you're growing. Speaking English is like learning to swim. At first, the water is cold. You're unsure. But once you jump in and keep moving, it gets easier. Soon, you're floating, then swimming. The same happens with language. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. One thing that helped me a lot was listening. I listened to podcasts, movies, and even music in English. Slowly, my ears got used to the rhythm, the tone, the flow of words. Another simple tip? Talk to yourself. Yes, it sounds funny, but it works. Practice daily conversations in the mirror. Say what you did today, what you'll eat, or how you feel. You don't need fancy vocabulary. You just need to speak. Start with small, clear sentences. Like, I like tea. I went to the market. I want to learn more. Don't wait until you feel perfect, because perfect never comes. Speak now. Even if it's not perfect. Even if you forget a word. Just speak. Another great habit is reading aloud. It improves your pronunciation and trains your mouth to move with English words. It's like a workout, but for your language muscles. And don't be shy to ask questions. If you don't know a word or phrase, ask. That's how we learn. That's how we grow. And here's something I truly believe. You have to believe in yourself. If you tell yourself, I can't do this, then it becomes harder. But if you say, I will learn this, you'll move forward, slowly but surely. Learning English is not a race. It's like planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, and wait. One day, it becomes a strong tree. It's okay to move slowly. It's okay to struggle. What matters is that you keep going. I still remember my first full conversation in English. I was shaking. My voice trembled. But I spoke. And even though I made mistakes, I felt proud because I tried. That's what speaking English is all about. Not perfection, courage. Every word you speak is progress. I also learned a lot from watching movies. Not just the words, but how people express themselves. Their smiles, hand gestures, even their tone. Language is not just what you say, it's how you say it. So don't be afraid to smile, to laugh, or to show your feelings when you speak. And if someday you feel stuck, that's normal. Some days are slow. Some days feel hard, but every small step forward is a victory. Set small goals. One day, learn 5 new words. Next day, practice saying them. Then, use them in a sentence. Celebrate every small win, because each one brings you closer to confidence. So, if you're listening to this today, know this. You can do it. Speak, practice, make mistakes, learn, And most importantly, never stop trying. I believe in you. Now, it's time you believe in yourself too. Thanks for listening to TwinTalk English. Let's keep learning, one word at a time.